Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this bomb quick weave wig look with the baby hairs and all that, girl, keep on watching. tedious. That's just all I'm gonna say, tedious, because I had to make the wig. If I didn't have to make the wig, probably would have been a little bit faster. Still debating if I want to keep it long. It's 22 inches, or if I want to cut it. We gonna see how this next 2 days go. The leave out blends really nice. All I did was straighten it and curl it using the flat iron. I did some little loop-de-loops and swoop-de-whoops. Focused. Yeah, it turned out really nice. It's late. I'm finna tie down my edges. I'm not gonna take it off tonight, but definitely tomorrow. I'm not sleeping with all this hair because it's not a lot, but no. I'm not sleeping with all this hair. But yes, this is the final result. This is a quick weave wig that I made. It's given coming from my scalp. This hair was so affordable. Literally $20, $25 actually, but it was so affordable. The wave is super pretty. I might cut it. I'm thinking about cutting it, but not today. Probably in a few days I'll just cut it. Go ahead and cut it to a shorter length. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see you baby in my next video. Not that one, but the girls are so pretty. I'm gonna mess with them. But they're so pretty. It's giving island girl. Island girl. Island girl. It's giving island girl. I love it. I love it. I really love you, and I want to say with you. So hey y'all, welcome back. So I decided to put this video in for the end of my affordable hair haul that I did with the hold on, see why you gotta have your shit together. Don't be slacking over on here. Alright, so boom, I'm adding this in to the end of my loose deep Gardenia model loose deep 3 pieces 18, 20, 22 that I just did. You just watched that video. Today is April 14th. I actually installed that hair on April 4th. Let me give y'all some fact checks so y'all won't say, oh, she's lying. No, I'm telling the truth. Here we go. This is when I made the wig originally. What does that date say? Oh, that's the day that I installed the hair, April 4th. All right. So I made a video on April 4th. I've been wearing this hair for 10 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all my update because I'm probably gonna wear it for like 1 more week. I'm probably gonna actually, you probably won't see this video until like 3 more videos, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna wear this hair for 1 more week. I really like this hair. Let me tell you how I messed up. Originally, I only wanted to do the 20 and the 18 inch, so it can be like short like this, right? Decided to put the long length in, and I don't know why I did that. I don't know why. So I ended up taking out only had like 3-4 rows in the back of the 22 inch. Ended up taking that out and just putting in the 20 inch in the back to give it like this, you know, I kind of did layer it a little bit, cut it up a little bit, but I wanted the like short like beach wave look, if that makes sense. I can't really see myself, so but I did want to go for that look and not a like longer curly look. Like this was supposed to be kind of like a, you know, like a messy, you know, given it could have been my natural hair, it could have been, you never know. But I really enjoy wearing this hair out. Haven't done anything to this hair except last night because I had to shoot a video today. I just went in and conditioned the end. That was it. Just put a little water and a little conditioner on the end. That was it. I'm talking about this much of the end. I did not touch this part of the hair. I really like this pattern. It's not too curly, it's not too loose, it's not like the body wave. I did review this hair before. I did when I did my Nicki Minaj. I'm gonna link that down below, or just go look on my channel. When I did the Nicki Minaj inspired hair, I used the same hair. I just used really shorter length. I think like the shortest length on that one was like 18 or 16. So I used a really shorter length for that one. And then for this one, I used the 18 and a 20. And it looks so good. Like, I've had this hair in for 10 days. It is on a U-part wig, as you've seen in the video. I normally might sleep in it. Like, if I sleep in it, is all I do is wrap my hair up, like the top part, with a regular scarf. I take it, y'all see in my videos, I take it, I wrap it up like this, and put it in the bonnet. Other than that, I don't do anything else to the hair. And then, like you see, I just took it down. I just do that, shake it out. That's why it's called Shake and Go. I think it's Shake and Go, y'all. I don't know. I'm just trying to do like affordable hair series here on my haul. So I just want to give you girls, like, you know, affordable hair tips. And like, you know, you don't gotta spend $400 on hair if you don't have it. If you got it, spend it. But if you do not have it, don't spend it. So yeah, I really enjoyed this hair. I'm gonna keep it in for at least like one more week. I might cut it into a bob. I'm thinking about cutting it into a bob. Like, let me see what y'all think. If I cut it into a bob, it would still be cute. Yeah, I'll cut it into a bob. So I'm thinking like after this week, I'm gonna cut it into a bob. I'm just gonna keep cutting it because it's $30. This hair was $24.99. There goes my kid. Give me one moment. All right, so sorry about that, y'all. I really did need to check the door. It was my kid. They getting off the bus, but whatever. So let me finish this before she comes back. Yeah, it is a U-part wig. Like I said, I'll wrap it up at night. Some nights when I'm just not having a good day, I'm snatching this bitch off. Okay, I'm taking it off. It has clips on it. It has 1, 2, 3 clips. Everything else is just laid down. I put like a bobby pin right here and a bobby pin right here. That's it. Other than that, it's not going nowhere. My man can pull it. Y'all, I'm gonna be my man all summer, and I really don't got a man. I just like saying that. But yeah, so if he want to pull it, he could pull it. It's not going nowhere. I really liked it. I wish I could wear it longer. I'm gonna see how long I could wear. If I can wear it a little too big, but now I got another video that's about to drop before the top of the month, so I can't keep it in forever. But I would keep the U-part wig just in case I need like a little backup wig or something, you know, chill. But yeah, this is my final review on this hair. I'm not gonna probably give any more updates. If I cut it, I'll probably put in like a clip. But this is just my final review. The hair was $24.99. Go get this hair. Y'all know I'm an affordable girl. I'm always telling y'all, go get it there. Why not? Like, duh. Anything else I need to say? Let me show y'all the back. I told y'all girls don't be doing that no more. They don't show you the back on YouTube. Let me make sure my back look okay, because I had to do some rearranging to my wig, so it might look a little crazy back there, but it's okay. It's okay. No, it's not going to kill nobody. All right, so this is the back. Let me see. Okay, so this is the back. When I'm in the club, yeah. All right, I need. Here she go again. Don't have kids, y'all. Don't have kids. Don't have kids. So yeah, I'm done rambling. Like I said, go get this hair. Very affordable if you didn't need a hair for, you know, a look, a shoot, or whatever the case may be. I did lay my edges down, just use a little bit of Got to Be in the black container. That's the best run. I really like this hair, y'all. I really do. I'm gonna take some pictures, make a few TikToks. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something else I needed to say. Okay, so yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, make sure you subscribe to the fam. Whew, it's been a long time coming, but we here, y'all. We here. I know we here. It's been a long day. I gotta clock in 30 minutes, so I'm trying to trying to hold out, trying to stand up, trying to stay strong, because I really want to call out so bad, but I can't. I want to cut you off so bad, but I can't. All right, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Oh, baby, I hate feeling alone. I hate feeling alone, baby. I need you here at home, baby. You're the only one who knows. Baby, need you here at home, baby. You're the only one who knows. You're the only one who knows.